To make a Bank of America account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, Social Security number, and proof of address. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Bank of America branch. First, go to the Bank of America website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Fill out the online application form with your personal and contact information. If you prefer to apply by phone, call the Bank of America customer service number and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. They will guide you through the application process and answer any questions you may have. To apply in person, visit a Bank of America branch near you and let the representative know you want to open a new account. They will provide you with the necessary paperwork and help you complete the application process. Once you have submitted your application, Bank of America will review and verify your information. This may take a few minutes if you apply online or by phone, or longer if you apply in person. If your application is approved, you will receive your account information and be able to fund your new account. It is essential to fund your account to start using it. You can fund your account by making a deposit at a Bank of America branch, by transferring money from another bank account, or by setting up direct deposit. After your account is open and funded, you will be able to manage your account online or through the Bank of America mobile app. You can check your account balance, pay bills, and transfer money to other accounts. By following these steps, you can easily make a Bank of America account and start taking advantage of the bank's services and features. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues.